So enable Outlook dark mode on iPhone. So I'm gonna use my app, and then I'm gonna go to these settings, and I do have a couple of accounts, so we'll come here and select dark mode. And in the preferences, there are other options like required face ID, which I did enable it, and I do have other preferences. So for this particular video, I will select dark mode. Here you go, bingo! In no time, I have my Outlook dark mode enabled. And let's I got some notifications from my home. I'm gonna look at some of the other stuff, see what we got, deals of Groupon. So let's try to compose a message, for example, and then Rafiq, test message. I'm sending this message, and then while I'm sending this, and see how cool it is. So what I'm gonna do now, get this email and reply, and we gotta read that reply while we wait. So here, if we go and select unread messages, I gotta filter attachments. So we're gonna go economics, for example. So what I'm gonna do now, wait for the email to show up. Okay, here you go. So that's the email I got. My email account, I am Andrew Cloud. So that being said, that's how simple it is to use and convert this to a dark mode. And that's what it looks like, simple, easy on your iPhone. Do subscribe my channel, like the video, and stay tuned for future videos. Thank you and bye.